everyone, welcome to the AP Chem tutorial for how to balance a chemical equation. This is a really important skill that you're going to use all throughout chem, so pay close attention. So a lot of the time it's kind of guess and check, and you're going to get better at it as you practice, but we're going to show you kind of the beginner's method. Since matter is never created or destroyed, we're going to want to make sure that we have the same number of atoms of each element on the product side, meaning to the left of the arrow, as we have on the right of the arrow. Okay, so we're gonna go element by element. So we have one potassium atom in the reactants, and we have one potassium atom in the products. So we're good on potassium for now. We're gonna look at hydrogen. We have 2 hydrogen here, and then we have 1, 2, 3 hydrogen here. So we're gonna multiply this by 2. And 4, and so you have to do some thinking here, and we're going to multiply this by 2. So we have, so now we have 4 hydrogen in the reactants, we have 4 hydrogen in the products. So now we have to see that this affected the number of potassium. We have 2 potassium over here, so we're going to come over and make this 2 potassium here. And now we go back and check our atoms. 2 atoms potassium, 2 atoms potassium, 4 atoms hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4 atoms hydrogen, and then we have 4 and 6 oxygen, and over here we have 2, 4, 6 oxygen. So we see that we're balanced. We're just going to put 1s in front of the remaining compounds, and then we have our balanced reaction. Okay, moving on to the second question. We're going to do the exact same thing. So, over here we have 2 iron, and here we only have 1 iron, so we'll go ahead and multiply this by 2. This is going to make things a little bit tricky because we're going to have a lot of nitrate. So here we distribute this, so we have 3 nitrogen here times 2, we have 6 nitrogen. And we only have 1 over here, so we'll multiply this by 6, and now we have 6 nitrogen over here. Our ions are balanced, and okay, we have 6 hydrogen, and we only have 2 over here, so we'll multiply this by 3, and now we have 6 hydrogen in the products. And now we're just going to go and make sure that all of our oxygens are balanced out. So here we have 3 plus 12, so we have 15 oxygen on this side, and over here we have 3 times 3 is 9, times 2 we have 18 plus 3, so we have 21 over here. Wait, is that right? 3 is 12, okay, so so see, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. You're going to have to go back and check and make sure that your coefficients are all right. But I think, actually, if we put, so we have 3. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is actually a 3. And then, if you write the problem right, you get the right number of oxygens and your equation's balanced.